What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on ASTER. So if you are interested what I am currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, or for example what are the setups that I'm planning to take, then definitely watch this video till the end. If you want to get a free access to all of the coins that I am currently watching, then I want to let you know that I have my own Discord trading group where I am everyday sharing my setups. All of the trades that I am taking are on a Bydfi exchange, and if you want to get yourself a 10% lifetime discount on fees, you can use my referral link. Other trades that are either really short term or long term, I am taking on Bydfi with my copy trading account. So if you want to get access to my copy trading, just create an account with my affiliate and then send me a DM to my Discord. Let's start today on a 1 hour chart. Here we are having few important areas. The first one is this bearish order block, which is between levels 2.14 and 2.07. So if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, the support confirmation here is extremely important. This can be actually first interesting long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place either above this current high. So you want to speculate here just for a small liquidity grab, because after support confirmation, this is completely logical that we are gonna take liquidity above. Or in my opinion, because this will give you really low risk reward ratio, you can speculate for a liquidity grab above this previous high, so above the level 2.44. You can see this is really new altcoins, so these moves can happen really fast. So this trade can give you potential risk reward ratio up to 3.5. You can take here like 2 take profit targets. First take profit target above this high, then second take profit targets on the level 2.46, which will give you risk reward ratio, as I said, up to 3.5 with stop loss around 4%. This is not gonna be your final risk reward ratio, because you want to take your 2 take profit targets, so your risk reward ratio is gonna be around like 2.8, 2.7, something like that, which is in my opinion still really great setup. On the other hand, if there will be that breakout, but it will be just a fake out with a resistance confirmation, you can open here a short position, because then there will be a simply higher probability that the market will go down. So stop loss you want to place above the high that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets above this bullish order block. This will give you similar risk reward ratio as well. So the first thing that I'm currently waiting here for, if there will be a retest of this bearish order block, is to wait here either for that breakout with a support confirmation, then we can go long, or a liquidity grab with the resistance confirmation, then we can take here a short trade. Another potential trade that we can take here on a 1 hour chart before we will move on a higher time frames is a liquidity grab under this bullish order block. So if there will be a drop around like 15% of a net market, which simply means we will take liquidity under all of these previous important lows, and then there will be a support confirmation, this can be another great long entry. Stop loss you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block after a support confirmation and liquidity grab. Last take profit targets you want to place, again, you can place it either above this high, or in this case you can speculate for a full range, which means you can speculate for a new all-time high, which will give you a risk reward ratio up to 10.2. This is, in my opinion, really great setup, but in a trade like this, you again want to take multiple take profit targets. So some profits above this bearish order block, some profits, let's say, under this area, some profits above this high, then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, from risk reward ratio 10.29, you will get risk reward ratio like 7, 6, something like that, which is another really great setup that you can take. If there will be a bigger drop, so there will be a resistance confirmation and we will retest like this lower area, again you can speculate here for a liquidity grab, a support confirmation, then you can open here a long position. But in my opinion, there is actually not that high probability that we are gonna get to like this lower price. And if you want to have more analysis on this coin, definitely let me know in the comments, because yeah, I will be simply doing analysis on the coins that you guys like the most. So yeah, that's the whole point. So if you want to see more updates, just let me know in the comments. If we will take a look on a 4 hour chart, you can see we are forming here this triangle. I will be completely honest, I am not trading these retail setups, but on the other hand, this is very retail coin. So a lot of people can be watching this and a lot of people can be deciding if there will be opening long positions or not by these retail setups. So if you want to be ahead, just wait here for a breakout, but do not buy the breakout itself. That will do a lot of people. But wait here for a support confirmation. So if there will be breakout and a support confirmation of this area, you can actually use it as a potential long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place somewhere back to this bullish order block. You don't have here like a good area where to place it. Like you can place it under this low, but then the risk reward ratio is not going to be that great. And on a 4-hour chart, I will be speculating here for at least a $3 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. So with a stop loss around like 5% of a net market, your risk reward ratio can be 6.79, and with multiple take profit targets, you will get risk reward ratio 5.4, something like that, which is again really great potential setup. On the other hand, if we are gonna retest this lower area, this is in my opinion making much more sense, because as I showed you on that 1-hour chart, we are having here this bullish order block. So there can be actually a liquidity grab under this bullish order block and then a retest of this area. So if the liquidity grab will happen somewhere, for example, in these areas, which is completely possible if the coin will go from like this level, you can just place here a limit order. I know this is definitely more risky than waiting here for that liquidity grab with a support confirmation, but if you want to trade here this triangle, this is in my opinion really great way how to trade it. Another approach how to trade it is to again wait here for a liquidity grab under this triangle and then wait here for that support confirmation. But again, this is just a retail setup. This is not based by important liquidity. So me personally, I wouldn't trade it, but I really like the setup in which we are speculating for that liquidity grab and a bounce from the support of this triangle. And if we will take a look on a higher time frames, you can see on like a 12-hour or a daily time frame, we are not having here any new interesting trading setups. Again, we can only watch here this bullish order block. But let's now take a look about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit in the bull market. You can see that after its coin was launched on multiple exchanges, you can see we are going slightly up, which is really great news, because a lot of altcoins are just pumping after a launch and then they are slowly decreasing. And usually they are going back under the original price that it was listed for. So just a pump and dump. But in this coin, you can see we are actually building here a bullish formation. So I think in the upcoming months, we will be on a higher levels. Me personally, I don't want to buy this to my long-term portfolio, but if the setups that I was talking about in this video will be met, I will be definitely thinking here about opening some trading positions. In my opinion, the exact price that we can actually hit in this bull market, I think this is not that high market cap. If we are gonna get to like $5-6 mark, this is not, in my opinion, like a crazy idea. So yeah, just take a look on this coin. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to be part of my trading community, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.